Oh, hey everybody, Batsu here. I guess I'll be explaining to you what PG and VG is, why it exists, and to better help you choose your VG-PG ratio. Now, what is VG-PG is the most asked question to our customer service department, so let's get right down to it, shall we? To start with, we have VG, which stands for vegetable glycerin. Now, VG is a thick liquid that adds to your cloud production, but it does sacrifice flavor. Now, VG can be found in cooking oil and other foods. Now, VG comes from plant oil, hence vegetable glycerin. Now, what is PG? Well, PG stands for Propylene Glycol. Now, propylene glycol is another food additive that has to be pharmaceutical grade for consumption, like in e-liquid. Now, it is a viscous liquid that does absorb water, which sacrifices cloud production but gives you a lot of flavor. Oh, you caught me modifying my paycheck. Anyway, let's get back to what we were talking about. Now, we have 3 different types of ratios here at VapeWild that you can choose from, and I'll break those all down. The first one is max VG, and it sounds exactly what it sounds like. It is the maximum amount of VG you can get in your liquid. That means big clouds, the kind of clouds that block out the lights, the clouds you see at cloud competitions, the kind of clouds I like. Now next, we have 65-35, which is pretty middle of the road. You're gonna get a balance of flavor and clouds in every puff. This is what we suggest for all new vapors to start with, since you're getting a good blend. It's not great. Lastly, we have 50-50. That means 50% VG and 50% PG. Now, you will get a throatier hit and less cloud production, but that means more flavor. Now, Gabe tells me this is all the rage. Personally, I like my clouds big and fluffy. I don't even know this person. And there you have it. That is the VG-PG ratios we have here at VapeWild, what VG and PG is, and what you can expect out of it. Now, if you have any more questions about what VG and PG is, check down in the description down below about a blog we wrote about it. Also, leave some comments, we'll answer you back, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got demoted and I have to go sweep now.